Welcome to the first video on HTML. In this video today I will be giving my opinion on the 3 best text editors for HTML. Before I start, I would like to say that there's a text editor tutorial for Python on this channel too, or just click the first link in the description. That is if I remember to put it there. Without further ado, let's start. Number 3 on my list is Komodo Edit. I don't have much experience with this text editor as compared to the others on the list, but when I did use it, I found out that it was very simple to use. I think that this text editor is for beginners and that are just starting HTML. As you can see by the photo, it is very minimal, which is good in a way. Unlike Visual Studio Code, it is not overwhelming if you're just starting HTML. The best thing about Komodo is that it is very easy to use. You can also install plugins in this text editor. This has cursor history, which is very interesting. This basically just allows you to go back to where your cursor was before, which in my opinion is pretty goddamn cool. The special thing about this text editor though, is that it has browser preview. This basically means that instead of going out of the text editor and opening the code on a browser, you can just preview it in the text editor. Overall, the ease of use is the main reason it is number 3 on my list. Next, we have the text editor Brackets. Brackets is basically directed towards web developers and designers. Like Komodo, Brackets has a very simple interface. The syntax highlighting is great and it has custom themes. I like the dark theme though better than the light one. There are also lots of keyboard shortcuts, which allows you to code a lot quicker than if you were doing it somewhere else. I also do suggest you learn how to use keyboard shortcuts in whichever text editor you're using, as it will make coding a lot easier. Now, at number 1, we have Visual Studio Code. This text editor is very fast and easy to use. This also has a built-in tab terminal, which is very unique. However, Visual Studio Code is a go-to text editor for me because you can type in any language you want into it. Whichever coding language you're using, there is bound to be an extension for it. It has easy keyboard shortcuts and has built-in Emmet, which just allows everything to go so much quicker. It has a powerful debugger and is easy peer sharing, which basically allows you to work with other people. This text editor is the best in my opinion and has way more pros than this, but I can't put them all on the screen. I'm also currently using this text editor and don't see myself changing anytime soon. So that's been it for the best text editors for HTML. I hope you have now selected the text editor that's right for you. Remember that there will be a link to download all of these 3 text editors in the description. I hope you've enjoyed and make sure you remember to subscribe and like for more HTML and Python videos.